My name is Rainbow Butterfly.
It's not. My name is actually Andrew, and this is a packing list for electric forest. Now, I was actually a little disappointed when I Googled electric forest packing. A couple of videos of attractive girls, but not a lot of content. So I think I'm unique because I will update this after I visit. It is my first time as a disclaimer, but just to show you that I'm a little organized, this is part of the wiki page. Explain how to prepare your phone, your camel pack's important, your suitcase, your clothes, your costumes, and so on. Food and drink, usually on your way to electric forest, you would buy your food and drink at a Walmart, so I haven't packed that here. Tent, I'm actually going with my recent ex-girlfriend because she's a spectacular human being. She's bringing the tent, but also talk about luxury items. If you do have a hire car, which we do not, we're taking the bus. If you have a hire car, the rules are different. You could probably bring an inflatable couch, a massage table, fur coats, musical instruments. You have that luxury. However, in this video, just kind of assume that, like me, maybe you're catching the bus. I'm going to talk through some of the stuff that I've packed. This isn't exhaustive. I might have forgot something, hence the wiki page I think will be important because I'll update that after my visit. But let's first talk through my carry-on. So in my carry-on, I put on this side all of my costumes. So I've got some sort of barbarian outfit, a belt. I love capes. Capes are fun and versatile. So that's that, a little hat. This I'm really excited about. This doesn't look like much, but it expands to this. So actually this is 5 foot tall and I can attach LEDs or a flag to the end. I have some flags and I've been living in Hawaii where I've been doing fire spinning. So I'm actually excited about dancing with this bad boy as well. So just, push that down. I have in here some actual flags I'm just going to attach to this if I don't know, just something creative. Flash tattoos, always fun. I've got some money. Theoretically, you have a wristband, and that can be used to pay for everything, but I still feel comfortable bringing a little bit of money. What else? On this other side, bags. Again, my first time, but I am smart enough to bring a first aid kit. It's just a baby one. It's only $15. This is only $15 too, by the way, for 4. Yeah, pretty cheap, but has scissors and safety pins, which are very useful. Camel pack, very important. This is some extra string. Actually, just have a lot of bags here. So I have a drawstring bag. This is a cooler that will fold out. So when I get to, Lydia and I get to Walmart, we can fill this up, plus the green bags. This is a larger backpack. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to bring this into the venue, but I don't know. I don't think a lot will fit in the camel pack. So I'll let you know how that goes. I think this is going to be useful. That's always useful. Let's now move over to my suitcase. So this was actually really sweet. In my parting ceremony with Liddy, she bought me this amazing outfit. And it represents some of my only hippie clothes. So if you want, Google electric forest fashion, and you'll see what people are wearing. It's a little more like this. I have some practical clothes too. I like to dance. There's some warm stuff here for nights. Always look at the forecast ahead. It actually looks like it's not going to rain, so I only have like minimal umbrella and so on here. But I got warm stuff, gloves just in case, underpants, socks, hankies, sunscreen. This is fun. This is some torches. I should have a headlamp. It didn't arrive, so Lydia will bring a headlamp. Little candles. That's fun. Toiletries bag. Oh, by the way, this is a nice quick dry towel. Just a compact one. Toiletry bags. I got some massage oil, razor, comb, everything you'd expect in a washer bag, toothpaste, toothbrush. I got a little Swiss Army thing here. So yeah, pack that out with the stuff you need. Got scissors here on the checked-in bag so I can cut the flash tattoos. I think that's going to be really fun. What what is this? Oh, garbage bags. I forgot what that is. Garbage bags, helpful. Batteries, you definitely want some spare batteries. This is fun. This is an inflatable solar lamp that will attach to the top of the tent. Like I said, you won't see a tent here, but I definitely got some flashlights and other useful things. Fold this over. What do we got? This was cool. Very affordable. Has a ton of different LED products. And I mean, there's so many I can just share with people. You know, just something fun to light things up when you're sort of in rave mode at nighttime. Bracelets. Some of this stuff I want to attach to this bad boy to dance. I got some glow poi. This is a special dance stick. Unfortunately, it doesn't illuminate. These are great. About $1 each, and they have this lovely string to decorate your tent or backpack or whatever. This is something Liddy suggested. So I'll let you know how this goes. Walkie-talkies to stay in contact. So that will be interesting. Yeah. Oh, a sheet. Picnic blanket. Actually, I can put a little bit more here. A hat. Another towel. There's the umbrella I mentioned. Should pack ponchos, but the weather looks good. This is really important. This is a hammock. It folds down small, but apparently there's this amazing culture where you set up hammocks in the middle of the forest and you can, relax without going all the way back to your tent to sleep. You can just sleep in the hammock, make friends with people around you. Apparently no one will steal your hammock. So I'm excited about that. Liddy's got one too. All right, so let's move on now to what I'm going to put in my backpack, just my personal bag, that I'm going to go on the plane. I'm actually spending some days in Chicago. I'm going to explore Chicago. So this is the extra stuff, includes a few days in Chicago. But I personally love to be creative. So I've got some blank pages, some pens. This is a printout of the map. Liddy's got the tickets. Don't forget your tickets, for gosh sakes. I've got some little creative things here to, I don't know, just quickly make new friends. I love dancing with people, hence this. This is also fun. I can give these as gifts. Burning Man has a big gift culture. I can't fit too many because they get heavy, but this is a book that I wrote called Ice Cream Equals Sex, which is just funny. So, if Liddy and I meet some people, we'll be like, hey, what's your favorite flavor? And just a fun icebreaker. Oh, this is important. Talk about this. This is called a phone. So, the phone you see in the reflection, that's my main phone. I basically want to put this phone, my main phone, on airport mode because I want to save the batteries. I mean, there's not really a chance to charge it. This phone I can use to take pictures. Some people will have battery packs, solar chargers. That's all well and good, but I figure, this is from Burning Man. I figure I'll have a whole extra phone just for the purpose of photos. But apparently reception's really bad. So I think your best bet for eForest is just to be in the moment. Sure, you want some photos from memories, but I plan on just putting everything in airplane mode and not posting to social media because honestly, social media is a huge suck. I do not use social media much at all, but I am making this YouTube video because I'm hoping it's going to be helpful to you. Don't subscribe, that stuff's BS. But I hope this is good insight. And remember, I will update www.andrewnoske.com/electric forest after the fact. So after the fact, I'll talk about what worked well in terms of packing. Yeah, so anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I might see you at Electric Forest. This is my first time, 2022, and I am very excited. Bye.